No, we're not taking a picture, we're sending a video.
Now we're going to talk, okay, to Grandpa and Nana.
Happy anniversary, Mom and Dad. Love you guys lots. Thank you so much for everything you've done for us. We hope you guys get to make it out here very soon and come see our home and our family. You want to say something, Evelina? What do you want to say?
Happy anniversary.
Okay, say happy anniversary to the camera.
Happy anniversary.
For Nana and Grams.
For Nana and Grams.
Happy anniversary. Thank you so much for sharing your love with us all. And we really hope to meet you soon, everybody. I've met Nana, but now we got to meet Gramps, eh? So we're sending all our love and happy, happy, happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, guys. Love you lots.